Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Google Sites. Once you're there, click the plus to create a new site. Choose a template if you want a shortcut, or start blank to control layout. Now set your site name, pick a header style, and add the first page. This establishes navigation and branding. Make sure to use clear page titles so visitors find content easily. Once done, save often. Google autosaves, but explicit saves help confidence. Next, you build the body. Use the Insert panel to add text boxes, images, and embedded content. Drag and drop sections to create columns or full-width areas and adjust background images for visual hierarchy. Embed Google Drive docs, sheets, maps, or a YouTube clip to make content interactive. When embedding, choose display options so load times stay low. Once organized, preview the site in desktop and mobile views to ensure layout responsiveness, and that links behave as expected. To finish, click Publish and enter your desired web address. Select visibility, make it public or restrict to specific users. Before finalizing, review navigation order, page titles, and consider connecting a custom domain for branding. After publishing, test links and embedded files. If something breaks, check sharing permissions on Drive items, clear your browser cache, and test in an incognito window. If the custom domain fails, confirm DNS settings with your registrar. Small DNS delays can take up to 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.